Practical. Title of the experiment: Comparison of capacities by de Sauty's method. This word de Sauty is name of the scientist. Aim: to determine the ratio of capacities Ca as to Cb and Ca as to Cc of condensers A, B and C. If Ca capacitor is given, then we have to find out Cb and Cc from the observation table. Ballistic galvanometer, it is shown here. Battery cell, it is this. Condenser 1 and 2, Ca and Cb and Cc. Resistance boxes 1 and 2 and de Sauty's key. This total picture is known as de Sauty's key. To that we are connecting externally this dry cell or battery cell. This de Sauty key is having three terminals. Number 1, connected across R1 and R2 combination. Point number 2 is connected to the negative terminal of the battery as well as the combination of two capacitors Ca and Cb. And the third terminal of the de Sauty's key is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. It is about the circuit diagram. Now, while doing the experiment, we have to connect this. Take out R1 100 ohm from the resistance box and R2 keep as constant is equal to 2000 ohm. Once you have to draw 2000 ohm from this resistance box and vary the resistance R1 so that this variable symbol arrow is shown on this R1. We have to vary this R1 in the steps of 100, 100, 200, 300 up to 1000. Means in all we have to record here 10 readings for Cb capacitor in the circuit, and again we have to record the 10 readings for Cc capacitor in the circuit, and both are compared with the help of Ca because we have to given Ca value as 1 microfarad and we have to find the values of Cb and Cc. Now here charging and discharging mechanism is there. When we are constantly taking out this 2000 ohm key from this resistance box R2, it is constant throughout the experiment. For R1 is equal to 100, we have to press this key true for a while and then release it. At that time we have to able to see some deflection on the BG scale, and that deflection we have to note in the observation table. That is this, I am already told you, 100, 200 up to 1000. It is constant 2000 and we are noting these readings. These readings are, some readings are negative, then 0 and then positive. That is, to the scale 0 is at the center, our right hand side is positive and left hand side is negative, and they, for the particular ratio 100 to 2000, this one is the reading, 200 2000, this is the reading, and so on. Then we have to take the ratio of R2 by R1, it is coming here. That is, it is for Ca and Cb combination. Now the same procedure is for Ca and Cc combination. These two columns are exactly same. This R2 by R1 is same. Only there is a variation of throw, that is the deflection on the scale we have to record for each combination. Now we have to plot the graph for this combination of R2 by R1 on y-axis and this throw theta on x-axis. Similar graph is for the second observation table as R2 by R1 versus the throw theta, which is in centimeter. Then we have such types of graphs on our graph paper. It is for set 1 and it is for set 2. These are the two graphs. Now the intercept on the graph is important. That is intercept on vertical y-axis, that is R2 by R1 axis. That intercept we are taking here. That is Ca upon Cb is equal to R2 by R1 is equal to intercept, and therefore we know the intercept from the graph. Ca is already given at the time of practical, and therefore Cb equal to Ca upon the intercept, and that is equal to farad. Therefore Cb equal to this into farad. Cc equal to Ca upon intercept, it is equal to farad, and ultimately we have to find the unknown capacity Cb in terms of farad and Cc in terms of farad while CA is given. Once again I am telling you all this. This is the title of the experiment, aim, apparatus, it is the resultant circuit diagram. While we are recording the throw, for every combination the capacitor, these two capacitors are connected to the terminal number 2 of the D-Sauty key. Through this negative terminal of the battery, the capacitor gets charged. When we release this key, at that time capacitor gets discharged, and then again we move towards the second combination for both the sets. In all, for first set we have to record 10 readings, for second set we have to record these 10 readings. For respective combination CACB we have to plot the graph. For the combination CANCC we have to plot the graph. From both the graphs we have to take their intercepts, and by putting those intercepts in the respective formulae we have to take the calculation and find out the values of CA is known in comparison with known CA as equal to 1 microfarad. CB will be equal to 1.12 into 10 to minus 6 farad, and CC in comparison with CA equal to 1.49 10 to minus 6 farad. It is all about one of the ballistic galvanometer experiment as comparison of capacities by De-Sauty's method. Why it is called as a comparison? Because among three capacitors, CA capacitor is given initially, that is having value 1 microfarad. In comparison with CA, we have to calculate the CB, and in the next set we have to calculate CC. That's why it is called as the CA comparison of capacities. Here charging and discharging mechanism is there. We have to remember there. I am giving you the PDF oral questions. You have to write those answers in your